In the last few videos, we had a look at adding text and listen blocks to make our first simple chatbot. In this video, we'll be dealing exclusively with the image block, so let's drag one and place it on the canvas. The flow will be like this skill will be triggered, then this hello image will be shown, and then this question, "Hi, how are you?" will be asked. To do this, I'll be removing this arrow which connects the catch block to the text block by clicking here and hitting backspace once this arrow is selected. Once that's done, connect the start block to the image block and the image block to the text block. Now let's add an image to this image block. Here you can see the same typing delay option. You can choose the kind of delay you want before this image appears. To add an image to this block, hover over here, click on Replace, select your image. Then you need to crop this image so that it fits this perfect rectangular dimension. Reposition it, and once you're done, click Save. This is the exact image which is going to be shown to the user. Let's do a quick dry run. I'll click Run, agent has been built. I'll click Run again just to ensure that this bot has run properly and check on Facebook Messenger. After that, you need to trigger the start skill by typing in /start and pasting it on the messenger and sending it here. Once the start skill is triggered, it should be automatically cached here and this image should be shown, like so. Once this is done, we also have other ways with which we can add images to this block. So for example, we can add images from URLs. You can just Google up hello. Go to the image tab and pick any image that you like. For example, I'll be picking this one up, right click, open image in new tab, and then getting the link to the image and pasting it here. If you want to do any changes to this image, you can hit crop it, reposition it as you like, and save it. However, please ensure that you have the right to use this image because not everyone would like you to use their image on your bot. So these were the two ways to add images to the image block in ActiveChat. Now I'll trigger the start skill by copying the /start, paste it here and run it. The start skill should be triggered and this image should be shown. If it doesn't work, ensure that you have run it properly and trigger the start skill again. As you can see, this image has appeared here. There is also an option to add a GIF here, where you can just search for any GIF in tenor.com or any other GIF searching site for that instance. I'll search for hello. I'll take this really cute penguin. I'll get an image to this. I'll get a link to this GIF so that I can just drag it, place it at the top. This link should end with .gif, which I will copy and paste it on ActiveChat. So this GIF will be updated here, but you won't be able to see the GIF here. Once that's updated, you will be sure that this is the GIF which is going to be shown. Run it and then trigger the start skill to see the GIF in action. Okay, bad response from architect. So I'll run it again and check for agent has been built. Okay, so once that's done, trigger the start skill again and here you go, the GIF has been sent. However, please note that once you have added the GIF here, if you want to crop the GIF, you can't just use this option because that crops the GIF into a static image and you wouldn't want that. I'll demonstrate this to you. I have cropped it like this. And as you can see, this is a static image and no longer a GIF. To illustrate this further, I'll just run and show it to you on Messenger. I'll trigger the start skill And after cropping the GIF, you will be able to see that the GIF has turned into a static image, like so. It's always better to get the GIF of the perfect dimension before you add it to your bot. We have one more thing. Here we have an array of buttons that we can use. These 4 buttons are exactly what you would see in a text block, like discussed in the previous videos. So I won't be covering it. For example, if you see these 4 buttons, they are available exactly in the text block as well as in the image block. However, we have this one extra button which is available exclusively in the image block. This is a Sha button with which someone can share their image to their friends. So I'll just demonstrate it quickly. I'll trigger the start skill, after which this image should be shown along with the share button, which look like this. Okay, as you can see, there is the share button. You can click share. You can just type in the name of any friend whom you want to send that image to, and that image will be shared with them. This was it. This was the quick short video for the image block. In the next lectures, we'll have a look at gallery block and other such blocks, and very soon build our first fully functioning bot. This is Akash from Chatbot part. See you in the next lectures.